So when Buzz released, everyone actually thought I was dating Priyanka at that time.
Oh.
You watch the video, Arjun is like full on like Govinda style, like he's trying to like, you know.
बस अब तू गाते ही रहना, एक्टिंग वैक्टिंग
नहीं I don't know ना.
अरे
दिल बोले हाय हाय देखे बिना तुझको. Oh, lyrics गलत बोलते. Sorry, we'll have to cut this. पुराने वाले lyrics गाती.
You can't say the F word. देख के तुझको हुआ जाऊं पागल, ना जाने कब बरसेगा ये बादल.
थोड़ी शरारती मैं, तू भी थोड़ा शाय शाय, तेरे लिए बाकियों को किया मैंने बाय, ऐसा कैसा प्यार कर लिया. ओ सावरिया आ सावरिया आ सावरिया आ सावरिया सावरिया.
So today I have with me Astha Gill and Arjun Bijlani, who are here to talk to me about their latest song called Saawariya, which is just the perfect thing this Navratri. So let's get talking to them. Hi guys, welcome. First of all, I have to tell you, I just saw this little poster on Astha's Instagram right now, because the song has not released as of now. By the time this interview comes, it will be out. But I saw this little poster on Astha's Instagram and I was like, it has a little tune, and I just thought that it just sets the perfect tone for Navratri, you know, the colorful and the vibrance and all of that. Tell me a little about that.
I remember we were in Cape Town doing Khatro Ke Khiladi and we discussed that we have to do a song together, and we came back on the day of finale. You know, we just talked about it and I was like, I have a perfect song, I feel. But when I made this song, the only person I could imagine was Arjun Bijlani. Trust me, and I'm not kidding. This is not a lie. You can put a lie detector right now and check.
अरे wow, that's really
I could
sweet. हाँ, मुझे झटका दिया इसने ये बोल के. बहुत झटके खाए मैं, and this was one of them. But this is a good one because I know that Astha's songs are like 99% they are all super hit songs, and apart from that we share a comfort level. We are friends and हमने बहुत मस्ती भी की है on in Cape Town, and I wanted to do something like that. Usually I get a lot of emotional songs and songs with a love story and stuff. So this was like a good change for me also, to dance and perform and on a song which
we were having a blast.
Which is going to be so much fun during the festive season. It's Navratri time, and I'm really looking forward to it. बहुत कुमार सानू जी की आवाज भी है इसमें, तो थोड़ा 90s वाला फ्लेवर भी है इसमें. So I think it's typical Bollywood. It's very, very vibrant, and I think it's going to have a great response. And there's one more thing I want to share with you guys. So Khatro Ke Khiladi, I won on my dad's birthday. On my dad's birthday, it was a Tuesday. Today is my mom's birthday, 5th October, and the poster is released. So and it's a Tuesday, so my favorite day, Ganpati Bappa, and I just hope that this song also becomes a super hit and beyond hit.
Definitely.
So we have all the good
luck. You have all the luck. It looks like you have all the blessings from everywhere. But I actually literally forgot to congratulate you, Arjun. It was such an amazing journey. Seeing the both of you, seeing everybody, all the contestants, you all was so damn entertaining the entire season. It was just such a joy to watch everybody. It was just too much fun. And जो भी fans को उतने time ये show चला, तो अब सारे फैंस को ऐसे विड्रॉल सा हो रहा होगा ना कि यार हम हर हफ्ते देखते थे, अब है नहीं देखने के लिए. So you all are bringing the song now, which will give them, the two of you, together again. So I think that is fab. But I want to speak to Astha now. Like Arjun said, कि ये गाना कुमार सानू जी ने गाया है. Tell me a little about singing with him. I mean, the legend. Tell me about that.
It's a dream come true. I literally have a living legend in my song. What else could I have asked for? I'm so excited about it, and the day we cracked this idea, I mean, I'm bata deti hu. So basically, it's Bachave's idea, not mine. And when he said that, I was like, oh yeah, that is actually is that possible? I mean, can we do it? He's like, yes, of course we can do it. Why not? And then when he came on board for the song, I was like,
Goosebumps.
like, yeah, I had goosebumps, and I was like, wow, I'll be collaborating with Kumar Sanu ji, like the legend. So I mean, I think for me, the win-win was there only. मेरे ये गाना hit हो चुका already since he's on the song. Yeah.
And even for me, because I'm doing the lip sync on
Yeah,
his,
also
yeah. So I was very excited, and when Asta told me, I was like, "What? Are you serious? This is happening?" And I was, and you must hear it once it's out. You know, it is so amazing. That flavor that he adds to the song,
You
he
watch
just makes it legendary.
You watch the video, Arjun is like full on like Govinda style, like he's trying to like, because we went in that zone.
Yeah.
I mean, I am a big fan of Govinda sir, and I think you were killing it that day.
Yeah, बहुत मजा आया. And usually I'm generally a person who's smiling and having fun, and so I've got a song like that, and I went all out for this song, and yes, I'm really waiting for it to release.
How nice. I mean, we're all waiting for it to release because, like I said, Abhi, I've just seen the poster and this little tune that plays. So it looks really colorful and vibrant. And these are the kind of songs that you just really feel like dancing to, like a proper foot tapping
Yes.
number. And with amazing singers, and we have the both of you also featuring in it. So I think it just adds to, the entire flavor of it. So I'm definitely looking forward to that one.
And Asta has acted so well, in the song.
You
I mean,
just need some chemistry between us.
so there's a story also in the song, and I think
Of course,
she's done a fab job. बस अब तू गाते ही रहना, acting में
नहीं, I don't know na.
अरे
How lovely. Okay, I want to do a very fun segment with the both of you, okay, which is called What Do You Do When? इसमें मैं आपको कुछ सिचुएशंस दूंगी और आप मुझे बताएंगे कि जब आप इस सिचुएशन में होते हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start with a very basic one. What do you do when you are stressed?
I eat lots and lots of chocolate.
I shop.
You shop?
I go online.
Oh yes, that too. How could I forget
I
that?
go online and shop.
चोरी मैं भी करती हूँ.
Okay, I think वो सभी करते हैं, irrespective of the mood. But okay. Okay.
बहाना भी होता है ना, मम्मी बोलती है शॉपिंग क्यों करी हो, तो बहुत टेंशन.
I think shopping just makes me feel happy.
Yeah. Okay. What do you do when you hear a rumor about yourself?
Ignore.
Okay.
Ignore.
I'll quite read through it and I'll be like, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है क्या? ऐसा भी मैंने किया है.
I तो ignore.
I kind of have fun with it.
जो चीज हुई नहीं उसको हवा देके क्या?
हवा नहीं देना, पढ़ के मजे तो ले सकते हैं.
हाँ, मजे ले सकते हैं, but like I
मैं
don't
बहुत
react
मजे
to
लेता
it.
हूँ.
Do you remember any such weird rumor that you might have heard or read?
मतलब ऐसे आए तो बहुत है, लेकिन I'm thinking, हाँ, so when Buzz released, everyone actually thought I was dating Priyank at that time.
Oh,
हाँ,
okay.
Priyank and me were dating according to people.
People think I date all my heroines, so that.
But I was like, okay, अच्छा, so सोचते रहे अपने को क्या है.
That's normal.
But yeah.
I think now, earlier there used to be a lot of rumors about a lot of things. I think now that kind of journalism is kind of changed now. I don't think that many rumor stories are out so much right now. But yes, sometimes some tabloids here and there, they just write anything and you just be like, just ignore it. You can't really do anything about it.
But that actually brings me to the next question, which is, what do you do when people link you up with a co-star?
Nothing. Just be less so that.
You go tell the co-star, they both are dating.
And then just like automatically it just fades away.
Yeah, I mean,
जब तक कोई post cover नहीं मिलती.
this is something which has been going on since years.
Yeah.
With most of the actors.
It's good as long as people are talking.
Sometimes it's true also. I'm not saying it's not true. Sometimes it's true. But most of the times it's not. मेरे साथ नहीं है. मरवाएगी क्या?
What do you do when you're on a vacation and somebody recognizes you?
You feel happy about it and
Give selfies.
get selfies and make them feel happy and say a few nice things to them so that you make their day.
How nice. Not a lot of people do that. So I'm glad that you do.
I always do it.
That's lovely.
I do.
हाँ तो मैंने कब मना किया?
You guys. Okay, another one is what do you do? I think this will be more applicable on Astha. Okay, so what do you do when you bump into paparazzi without any makeup on?
Oh,
She has great skin.
I put very less makeup anyways.
Hmm.
So I just wear my shades, and half of the time we have
Asta is a kind of girl, na? She has a vibe of herself in the sense, she's very chilled out. She doesn't really bother about these things, which is a great thing. Like she's a person. She's a person who's talks from her heart. देखो पानी पिला रही है, बिस्किट खिला रही है, बहुत बहुत अच्छी लड़की है.
Check ready.
Because Astha आप यहाँ पे है तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि हम आपसे गाना ना गवाएं. If you can sing something for us.
You want me to sing Savari or any other song?
If you're allowed to sing Savarya, then please. But I mean, if you're
Where
not
is it?
allowed right now, we'll release the interview after the song releases, so you can. Yeah.
देख के तुझको दिल बोले हाय हाय, देखे बिना तुझको. Oh, lyrics गलत बोलते. Sorry, we'll have to cut this. पुराने वाले lyrics गाती.
You can't say the F word. This is not OTT. Since you're talking about Big Boss OTT, वैसी बन गई है.
मुझे बचाओ. Okay. देख के तुझको दिल बोले हाय हाय, तेरे बिना हाल मेरा बुरा होता जाए जाए. थोड़ी शरारती मैं, तू भी थोड़ा शाय शाय, तेरे लिए बाकियों को किया मैंने बाय. ऐसा कैसा प्यार कर लिया हो सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, सावरिया.
वाओ, मारतानी जी का भी मस्त है वो.
अब आप सुनाओ
धड़के
lyrics.
दिलिए जब क्या है? धड़के दिलिए जब
उड़े
तेरा
तेरा
आंचल,
आंचल,
जादू करे तेरी आंखों का काजल, देख के तुझको हुआ जाऊं पागल, ना जाने कब बरसेगा ये बादल.
Starring Arjun Bijlani as the new singer in the house.
हाँ सर, आजकल तो कंप्यूटर पे करके मैं गा सकता हूँ. ऐसे कर सकते हैं ना?
जरूरत नहीं है पर उसकी जरूरत नहीं लग रही मुझे. ऐसे भी
You think it's that easy? You think it's that easy? Huh?
सा नहीं बोल सकते, सो बोलना पड़ेगा.
आप बोल तो लगाओ.
सोनी म्यूजिक का सो बोले.
Guys, I think मुझे थोड़ा और समय मिल जाता तो बहुत अच्छा होता, but I think you all have other things also to do. So I will have to end this sadly, but this was such a joy talking to the both of you. I absolutely love the song. जितना भी मैंने थोड़ा बहुत सुना here and there from the both of you, thank you for that. And I'm really looking forward to it. It releases on the 8th, if I'm not wrong. And really looking forward to seeing the video and to hearing the song. And I just want to wish you all the very best for this. And here's hoping that we see more of you guys collaborating so that we get some more amazing kick-ass stuff from both of you.
Thank you so much. Bye to you and bye to that guy behind you, Falls.
बहुत देर से सुन रहे हैं हमारी बात. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye, Falls.
Guys, bye.